your subscribers, they will tell you how you can fix your problem. So if just cellular data is not working on your iPhone, so how you can also fix it. So for fixing it, just go to the settings. In the settings, you need to find here cellular data. Just open it, just try to turn it off and turn on. So if it doesn't help you, just go to cellular data options and just tap on voice and data and just try to switch it from 3G to LTE, and for example from LTE to 3G and again to LTE. So just switch your data. And if it doesn't help you, you can also just try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. So after, you can try to restore your phone, so just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simply restore your phone. And the latest option you can try to update your phone, so you go to the general, just open software update, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.